So this is an Accord 2014 3.5 V6, right? Alright, so that's the stock exhaust. And then this is Maggie's car. And she got herself her first performance mod, K&N. Alright, now we gotta do a takeoff and see how it sounds. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sound way better. We'll see. You gotta hang on to your shit, cause I'm about to. Oh, just hang on to it. Are you ready? Hold on.
Yeah. Wait, there's a bag.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do that much. Alright, ready? Alright. That was alright, we're doing another pull. Why should that be a cop? Alright, so now we're gonna go install it and we'll see the difference, right? So 2014 Honda Accord V6, baby. I like it though, it pulls. Alright, so now we're gonna install it. Easiest fucking intake removal, like you literally just pull up. So pull up for me, Maggie, right here. Like, yeah, and then this thing literally just goes out like that. I put it down, and then let's see. Oh shit, it's pretty dirty. So not bad. Then this is your K&N. So I always like to put it like this to make sure we put it the right way. It's the same though. It's fucking square. So same thing. It was super easy. Just light it in, slide her in, and it's fine. I guess the deeper side goes down. You know, this same shit on the filter. The fatter side is at the bottom. It's all the same, so done. It's done, baby. Plug this back in. And then boom, one click, two clicks. That's it. One click, two clicks, and just pulls up. Slide her in. That's it. So I guess we're gonna go test it. See the sounds, results. By turning it on, we can hear the difference. No. So same distance, like right here. So this is where K&N. Down, closed. And D. It should take off a little bit. Stronger too. So let's go. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. So this is where.
I noticed that too, actually.
This is with the window open. So it actually chirps second gear. Like that was cool. Like that means from first to second gear actually it had more balls. I'm gonna do the manual, sport mode. So I don't know much about this car. Like it just doesn't go higher RPM. So it's not a crazy difference like in sound, but you can definitely hear the air, more air being sucked in, right? So you hear that whistle, like it sounds cool, and it pulls harder because it chirps second gear. Like on that second gear, it chirped it, so that means like it got more a little bit more balls there. So I mean that's good. So now you can go race it, man. You should raise my SI. To be honest, you want to?
Fucking angel.
Hey, you got a chance. Cause I mean, my car, the SI is fucking 4-banger. You got more power than me, to be honest. To be fair. Yeah, shit. If you're down, I'm down. And obviously, here's up. That's nice.
No, it is. It's
Not
nice.
bad. Not bad for the $50.
I know.
So my conclusion. This sounds good. It sounds good. Sounds definitely a little bit louder than stock. But if you want a crazy like sound like from an intake, it's definitely get the tube, which is like $250. So that's something that anyone would choose, I guess. You know, me personally, I would not spend $350 on that shit. I would probably go with like an eBay one, like a cheap one. But when you do like those cheap ones, you do get like check engine lights and stuff. Guys, 2014 Honda Accord V6. Not a crazy difference, you know. I'm gonna be honest, but pulls, in my opinion, it pulled harder. I will put both videos. It pulled harder, I think, and it does sound cooler. Like it's got the little whistle sound and a little bit louder. Right, so it's stuck. And obviously here's up. That's nice. Alright. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. So it actually chirped second gear. Like that was cool. Like that means from first to second gear actually had more balls. So this is where K&N So I just asked Maggie what's her next mod. She actually wants an exhaust because she says she wants to be loud. Obviously, I'm not gonna let her be obnoxiously loud because I hate that shit. But what exhaust do you guys recommend for her? Something that won't break the bank and something that sounds nice that will pair up with this intake. So any suggestions? Hit her up on Instagram. No, she doesn't have an Instagram. She's lame. She has no social media.